evaluate the indefinite integral, or determine the antiderivative using the method of substitution. To use the method of substitution, we let part of the integrand function be equal to u, such that the derivative of u resembles the remaining part of the integrand function. In this case, our choices are to let u equal the numerator or u equal the denominator, both of which contain e to the power of 2x. But if we let u equal the denominator, because the derivative of negative 12 is equal to 0, the derivative of the denominator will resemble the numerator, which indicates we will let u equal the denominator of negative 12 plus e to the power of 2x. The next step is to determine differential u, where differential u is equal to the derivative of u with respect to x times dx. This indicates du is equal to the derivative of negative 12, which is 0, plus the derivative of e to the power of 2x, which requires a chain rule. The derivative is e to the power of 2x times the derivative of 2x, which is 2, times dx, which indicates du is equal to 2 e to the 2x dx. At this point, we compare u and du to the given integral. To begin, we know that u equals the denominator of negative 12 plus e to the 2x, and we're left with 4 e to the 2x dx, and we have du equals 2 e to the 2x dx. Notice if we multiply both sides of the equation by 2, we will have a perfect match with what is left. So let's go ahead and multiply both sides of the equation by 2, which gives us 2 du equals 2 times 2 e to the 2x dx, or 4 e to the 2x dx, which indicates we can now substitute 2 du for 4 e to the 2x dx. And now we write the integral with respect to u. We have the integral of 4 e to the 2x dx is equal to 2 du. Let's write the 2 on the left and the du on the right. And the denominator of negative 12 plus e to the 2x is equal to u. So let's go ahead and write the integrand function as 2 divided by u. And now we integrate with respect to u. Recall the integral of 1 divided by u du equals natural log absolute value of u plus c, which means our antiderivative with respect to u is equal to 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. And now we write the antiderivative in terms of x by replacing u with negative 12 plus e to the 2x, which indicates the antiderivative with respect to x equals 2 times the natural log absolute value of negative 12 plus e to the 2x plus c. This is the family of functions whose derivatives are equal to the given integrand function. I hope you found this helpful.